Hi, my name is Alan and welcome to another video that I haven't thought of a title yet. But in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can bind OBS key to any keys on any keyboard for free. Now, you're probably wondering, what is an OBS key, Alan? Well, if I go to my OBS right now, if I go to settings, if I go to hotkeys, and if I hit any random key on this numpad right here, it will show OBS key and then a code for a key. So you can see, pressed 1 says 0xC9, 0xCA, 0xCB, 0xCC, CD, CE, so on and so forth. Now, as you can see, it says OBS key. Now, this means this key is unassigned on any keyboard and is technically physically not there and cannot be pressed. It's basically made for OBS. Well, there's probably more to it, but we're not going to dive on that for today. But I will show you how you can do this on your keyboard. So of course, the first thing that I want to do is go to your browser. In my case, it's Brave browser. You go into the link on the description down below. We're going to download PowerToys, PowerToys.exe. Now the requirements are you are running a 64-bit system. Click this, it downloads, and then you install the program. After that, you're good to go. Now we open PowerToys and you're going to be popping up with this screen first. Now the only utility that we actually need is the keyboard manager right here. But before you do any of that, you want to click this. Always run as an administrator and you just restart PowerToys. And you're good. Now we go to keyboard manager. And as you can see right here, I already have my bind set. Now I'm using my numpad keys, which are binded here, but I also use some of the keys on the regular keyboard, like the page up and page down that is not on the numpad. Now, some things to take note of. You would still need to find keys on your keyboard that you don't actually have to use, because let's say you plug in another keyboard, you think that you can bind every single keys on that keyboard into an unknown key or an OBS key. That doesn't work like that. You would still have to find the ones that you don't need, because whatever you apply on that keyboard will also be applied to whatever keyboard that you plug into your computer. So yeah, that's basically that. That's why I'm using the numpad, because I don't think I use the numpad enough anyway. So that's basically it. Now remapping a key is easy. You just click remap a key. This pops up, and as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in here already. You just click add key. You click type, let's say a bracket. You press OK. And now you type the next key. But now, how do you know which one of these keys are actually available to be set as an OBS key? Well, that's where this site comes in. The Zap test, it's like a forum, and you just want to open it. There's a lot of keys right here, as you can see, with a lot of key codes. Now, you want to find the ones that are named unassigned. In my case, I use 200 to 218. As you can see, it's the C8, C9, CA, CB, CC, CD, so on and so forth. Now, as you can see, it says here, VK200. Now, if we go back to the keyboard mapper in PowerToys, we can actually find these codes right here, like the VKs. Let me go VK218. It is now set. I will press OK. VK218 is 0xDA. Now, continue anyway. As I said before, you cannot just have another keyboard and set it at that. Whatever you put on that keyboard will also take effect on the other keyboards that you plug into your computer. So I'm just press OK, continue anyway, and then I'm good. Now, if I go back to my OBS settings, if I press the right bracket on my keyboard, this should show 0xDA. That's basically it. It's as easy as that. There's a lot of things that you can do with it. You can see you can remap shortcuts as well with keyboard mapper, but we're gonna touch that on a different video with more tools to add on it. And yeah, that's how fast and easy you can bind an OBS key on your keyboard. So hopefully this video helps. If it did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, check out my gaming channel, check out my socials. And I'm sorry if there's a lot of dogs barking in this video. I don't know why, but see you guys in my next video, and you have a good day. Goodbye.